Yellow patches on your lawn driving you nuts? Let's talk about how iron deficiency, or chlorosis, totally messes up your grass, and what you can actually do about it right now, without spending a ton of money or losing your mind. So, first up, you gotta figure out if it's really iron deficiency causing those weird yellow patches, because sometimes people just start dumping fertilizer, and that's not always the move. Like, grab a soil test kit from the garden center or order one online. Super easy. And check your iron levels. If the test says low iron, look for a liquid iron supplement or chelated iron product at your local store. These work way faster than those slow-release granular types. It's important to water the lawn before and after you spray or sprinkle on the iron so you don't burn your grass. Seriously, don't skip that part. Stick to early morning or late afternoon application, because blasting the lawn in full sun can just make things worse. Don't mow super short, keep your grass a bit taller so it shades the soil and helps those roots soak up nutrients better. If your soil is super compacted or has a lot of clay, try aerating it first so that iron actually gets down to the roots where it belongs. And, don't forget to check your watering routine. A lot of times, overwatering or using hard water can mess with how well your grass picks up iron. One of the biggest mistakes people make with treating yellow patches from iron deficiency is not confirming the problem with a soil test, which means they might waste time and money on stuff their lawn does not even need. Always test first and then treat. Another common issue is applying too much iron supplement at once, thinking more is better, but honestly, you can end up burning your lawn and making those yellow spots even worse. Always follow the label instructions and spread it out if needed. The third mistake is ignoring soil pH. If your soil's too alkaline, your grass cannot absorb iron no matter how much you put down, so check your pH and use sulfur to lower it if you need to get those nutrients working for you. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with trustworthy local contractors who actually show up and know what they're doing, so getting help for your lawn or any home fix is way less stressful. If you're a contractor looking for more work, BigHomeProjects.com makes it easier to get found by real people in your area who need jobs done right now.